Yo abusua for mama kwa ba de ba fie nkomo TV eso sabre na yasan echeche am na yasre mo se channel you be subscribe na ma share afen so ma san so a comment e de amaye comment section ni hu de echo na ene asema de bro no say wontumi ana na wuwo yi o wontumi ana ene na no edemu a chese pese o kire yen se oyare a owuo a eni na also ye bema be kan se kakramponi nti wontumi de oyeye ne bra na otetumi no tumi so no so no okasa enza na otwe ne member sam ne bisa se ne member sam no afa he nti na wadane oba ene krampo pese o kire se onye Ghana ni sanse Mahama ba be di president eno nti mama yankonkotie ensem bia ekoso ewo wontumi efa ayebia na fo ne yuko fo abefa na trendy ewo Ghana mama honya mama konkuti na yamra ebadamase.
My client has been taken to hospital for medical treatment.
So you've been in for about 6 hours. What has been happening in there?
We have given our statements. They preferred some allegations against him. He responded to them. We haven't finished with interrogation, so we'll come back to continue. Hopefully tomorrow if his condition improves. Otherwise, he will stay there until that the doctors discharge him, and then he will come back to continue the interrogation. Nevertheless, we have also received this afternoon a writ of summons from Exim Bank, and we are going to respond to the pleadings tomorrow. And I'm very hopeful that we'll be able to mount a defense of the writ. When we are in court, we will indicate that to the court that this we consider a civil matter, for which reason Exim Bank has issued a writ of summons to us, which we are also responding. So this one of a supposed criminal investigation, I am sure and confident that we will be able to also surmount a defense.
Finally, what were the charges that were preferred against him in there?
The laid charges of yes, the laid charges of the relationship between himself and Exim Bank and supposed No matter I wanted to
I mean, so as you can see, Lawyer Andy Apiakubi is going to his car. What we do know now, we can confirm, is that Chairman Wontumi has been, we understand, has been taken to, the hospital.